This AI tool is absolutely wild. Drop 4 images and it will create a Hollywood scene. So if you are in a search of Veo-3 and Kling AI alternative, this might be the video you've been waiting for. In this tutorial, I'm testing a new AI tool named Vidu, and its features are going to shock you. And the newest update from Vidu is they are about to launch their Vidu Q1 model for reference to Video 2. And believe me guys, it is worth the money. So, what exactly is Vidu AI and why is it making waves in the AI video world? Let me quickly share its superb features that will make you speechless. Now, let's move towards the Vidu model for which I was so excited to try. Yes, I'm talking about their reference to video model, which is next level. Let me tell you how you'll use it. Here, you'll put your all images, the model's picture, the product, or the clothing, or anything you want the model to hold. Write here a couple of nice words to express what you want. Make sure to select their latest model, Vidu Q1. Do all necessary settings. And that's it, you have a completely professional video. The future of AI filmmaking is unfolding before our eyes. Let's experiment something else. I want Goku to play with the Switch. That's so cool. Now, I want to try it for 2 characters. Let's write a prompt for our scene. Oh my god, I'm so surprised by the results. Let's try something else. This time I'm creating a scene using 4 images. Let's say I want to create an ad for the chicken wings in which this male model will enjoy eating these wings inside the luxury car while wearing this blue jacket. Look at the smoke coming from the wings. I can literally feel its hotness. This is crazy. Okay, now let me try this feature one more time. You can save your images as a reference for perfect character consistency. It does reverse prompt engineering by converting images to text. You can edit the style and image description as well. I want Mr. Beast jogging in the dark mountains while using headphones.
A few moments later.
It makes the perfect video. Now let's experiment it on cartoon characters. This time I'm going to create a scene using 5 images. I want Mario, Pikachu, and Mickey Mouse eating ramen on a dining table. It created the scene I was expecting. Superb. But it includes 2 Pikachus, so I modified my prompt and got these results. By making slight adjustments to the text prompts, you can easily achieve your desired output. All you need is to play with the prompts. Next, we have their text to video model. Let's test it. Make sure to select their latest model, Vidu Q1. I have a list of prompts which I'm going to try one by one for different styles. I'll start with anime style video because I have seen a lot of posts on Twitter which claim its supremacy for creating anime style videos. Let me paste this prompt. You can select animation style here. I already described it in my prompt, so I will go with general. Select your movement amplitude and aspect ratio. You can generate up to 4 different versions. And if you want to generate your video for free, you have to switch on this non-peak mode. Your generation will proceed in non-peak server hours, but it may take longer to generate. I'm their pro user, so I don't have to wait. The best thing about Vidu is they also provided a user prompt guide to get better results. And let's do a quick overview of it. until our video is generating. They have showed the difference between the original and associative prompt. There is a Vidu formula which you have to follow to get your desired results. You have to mention subject, scene description, environment description, and the style you want to create. This is a little bit more detail about their formula. Let's go back to our video generator. Okay, so our video is ready. Literally, I love the results. You can upscale your video up to 4K. The best thing which I have noticed is their frame extraction feature. Simply take a screenshot of your scene and use it as a reference image to create consistent scenes. Now let's test some videography techniques using the Vidu Q1 model. Pedestal shot. A pedestal shot is when the camera moves vertically up or down without tilting. Tilt shot. A tilt shot is when the camera tilts vertically, either up or down. Arc shot. An arc shot is when the camera moves in a circular path around subject. Dolly shot. A dolly shot is when the camera moves forward, backward smoothly. Zoom in shot. A zoom in shot is when the camera zooms towards the subject. Drone shot. A drone shot is when the camera moves like a drone, usually aerial, wide, cinematic. It's time to explore Vidu Q1 image to video. Upload your image here and based on the image, describe the content you want to generate. In seconds, we bring our favorite character in action. Let's create an albike video ad with 3D Pixar style animation. I have used ChatGPT to create images for this ad. You can use any image generator. Just one image and one smart prompt and boom, your entire ad is ready. Want a full breakdown? Comment Vidu Q1 and I'll come up with a detailed tutorial on it. Now let's move forward towards Vidu templates. A few days ago, Boxstripe and Clawme were trending on Instagram. Let's explore some of them quickly. Upload a photo of a person or animal here. Photos with clear subjects work best. The output looks so cute. Let's try their hot template. And this is the output. Cool. Now let me show you my favorite one, and that's the tiny me. I tried it so many times before. Upload your photo here. And that's it. Your tiny version is ready. I just love the output. This is the result of Punch Me, and that's the output of animated me. Try these templates and let me know in the comments which one you loved the most. That's all about Vidu Q1. Let me conclude my overall thoughts about it. If I compare its text or image to video model with other video generators like Veo-3 by Google and Kling AI, all three generate video with superb quality, but Veo-3 leads as it generates video with audio, but it's expensive. For reference to video, Vidu Q1 is unbeatable as none of the video generators create scenes with the same level of multi-entity consistency and seamless integration from diverse reference inputs. Right now, you can add text and labels to AI videos, but the spellings aren't always correct. It would be great to see that improve in the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who are curious about AI video generators.